If you're a wedding coordinator and you're looking for a professional, affordable website to advertise your services, you're certainly in the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to do exactly that, build a simple website for your wedding coordinator business. If you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to sign up for that free trial. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from, and we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to go ahead and search for my market, wedding coordinator. Whoops, there it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that service. Awesome. Let's start Mighty Sites a few basic details about our businesses so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my city and my state or region and go ahead and change this to service and let Mighty Sites generate a simple website for my business with the information I've just popped in. And there you have it. It's literally done it in a couple of seconds. All I had to do was put in a few basic details. Let's take a closer look at the websites it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website of the work you've done, weddings you have planned. Maybe make one or two changes to this content that was pre-written. Perhaps you don't offer all these services. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that. It's super simple. You don't need to know any coding or be a web developer or have any web development skills. And you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself. It's that simple, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section at the top and pop in my email address over here to make sure that that is visible on my website. Let's go ahead and tick that box so it is here so customers can reach out if they want to. Phone number, let's pop it in over here. If you have a physical location, maybe you're only mobile, you can leave this off, but if you do have a physical location, you can pop it in over here because when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps. And update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed for your social channels at the top as well as at the bottom. If you have a business logo, head on over to the next section, browse your device to upload it. If you don't have a logo yet, I recommend you check out canva.com or hatchful.com. There's so many great options on there and they're completely free. I've personally tried them both myself. If you don't want to make slight amendments to that logo, click on that pencil directly over that logo. You can crop it, rotate it, zoom in, add filters or frames. Otherwise, click on save here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Awesome. If you'd like to change the colors that were pre-selected for you, go ahead and click on that paint bucket, bottom right-hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to choose from. I'm going to go ahead and choose, I think, this one because it reminds me of love and weddings. For each section you'd like to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath it. Head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device to upload your own images or search through the photo library. There's hundreds of images to choose from, as you can see, and all of these are completely free to use. You can also go back to the photo options and you now have an option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in all those images if you have a profile instead of uploading them all individually. And update action is where you can change that button text where the button links to by clicking on choose link. You can even upload a PDF file with a catalog with your various rates and services. And about me, you can make this a little bit more personalized to your business, how you got into the industry and why you love coordinating weddings. Your customers would love to hear your story. In the last section over here, we have a lead generation form. Over here, your customers can easily reach out to you. You will get notified via your registered email. You have a new lead. Also keep track of all your leads in your Mighty dashboard. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on connect your domain here, the yellow button at the bottom. If you don't have a domain, you can also purchase a custom domain to make your website look even more personalized, professional, stand out from all your competitors just by clicking on that yellow button at the bottom. Really wish your business mighty success. And I really hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.